The type of research that we want to do at the farm is to demonstrate basically the effects that improving the soil food web will have on plant production. We'd like to do some work on nutrient-dense food, showing that as we improve the biology in the soil, we will increase the nutrients that the plant is taking up. Everything in that plant will be more well-balanced. Part of the research that we want to do is to demonstrate that that fungal to bacterial biomass ratio is really what's helping plants at different stages of succession take up the nutrients that they require. So this summer, we just got this farm, and with the help of some funders, we moved in here the end of March, and just getting things under control. So the simple experiment that we're putting in this springtime is to look at how garden beds, people growing their plant material in a typical conventional kind of approach, no pesticides or inorganic fertilizers, but how most people grow vegetables is to prepare the soil by tillage, digging it up, mixing it, making it nice and fine, putting the seeds in and watering as appropriate, perhaps with some mulch on top. And we want to compare that then to where we're adding just the right biology with compost. And then another treatment where we're extracting those organisms out of the compost and into the water and applying that extract that will have all of those organisms in it. And then we will use compost plus extract. Now, if at any time on those treatments that we need to use a compost tea to protect the above ground part of the plant from diseases or pests, we will do that so that we can continue to demonstrate the benefit of getting all that biology back into the soil. And so we'll have very clear comparisons of kind of the typical growing pattern, growing management that people have, compared it with just the simple compost, the compost tea, and then the mix of those two. And hopefully the pictures will all come out where you can see that gradient of improvement in the growth of the plant, in the health of the plant, and then we're hoping to find a funder to help us do the nutrient density of those, the produce from those different treatments. We're going to be growing a lot of different kinds of things, so corn and broccoli and cauliflower, onions, carrots, lots of medicinal kinds of plants. We have quite a number of heritage fruit trees on the property, and so looking at the effect of improving biology on the growth and yield and the nutrient density of these different kinds of plants.